Tumesikitishwa na sababu ambazo zimetolewa na tume ya IEBC kudigazeti ile gazette notice ambayo ilitangaza kudhibiti utumizi wa hela katika siasa, na tumesema ya kwamba tutakutana na wao tuzungumuze, tuweze kuwaelewa, watupee sababu zao, sababu wao wamepewa nguvu na sheria, wamepewa nguvu na katiba, mbona wakaeza kubadili msimamo ambao sio kinyume na sheria na kuenda sawa na bunge ambayo tunaamini ya kwamba imevunja sheria.
We are 10 years in this country where the voters, I mean the voters card, the one that you use in voting, it used to be a commercialized item in our elections, where people would register as voters and they would sell it during campaigns. And the buyers are the opponents of a political contest.
Our concern is that if this trend continues, then the act will be suspended into perpetuity, because each house will always leave it for the next one. But you know, each house will have an interest. So the idea then is to make sure that the act is operationalized, it's delinked from the life of the house, so that it's not the members of the house at any given time that determine whether the act will be operationalized, because I don't see then what the interest of the 2027 house would be if it's not passed in 2022.
Without that leveling of the playing field, it means that it is not a free and fair space for people who have traditionally been disenfranchised in politics, that is our women, youth, and other vulnerable groups. That is not a free and fair environment for them, and that is why we feel that it is important for us to now take it to the next level and see what redress Kenyans can get to ensure that finally this law is actually implemented